guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is gonna be the second video of our Python tutorials for beginner series. In this particular video, we're gonna see how we can write hello world in Python. So whenever we start learning a new language, our first step will be printing hello world, and the same we'll be performing in this particular video. First, let's create one Python file. We'll create Python file with name hello world. The extension for this file should be in .py. So we have successfully created the hello world.py file. Now here we will print hello world. So for printing anything in Python, we have to use print function. So you have to write print. This is a good ID. It will give you the suggestions. You can press enter. In this particular bracket, you have to give the string which you want to print. Here we want to print hello world. So in this particular way, we can print hello world in Python. Now let's execute this program. We just have to right click, then you have to select run hello world. This will be our class name. So once you execute this, you can see output here. We have successfully printed hello world here. You can print anything. In this particular thing, I can print any number. Let's print 1 2 3 4 5. This is a number. Again, I will click on this run icon. It will execute the script and it will print the desired output. So in this particular brackets, you can give anything and it will print. Even if you can give some special symbols, and it will print that also. Here you can see it's successfully printed. So that's it for this particular video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and make sure to hit that like button on this particular video. We will meet in next video. Thank you for watching.